Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna check out this fantastic vehicle. It's a 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. So the 26s are landing here. It's a much better vehicle than the 25 in terms of the upgrades and everything else. We're going to be talking about it in this video, specific about the SE trim level. So in Canada, you get ES, that's where it all starts. We do have one ES hiding right there. I'll be filming the video on that as well. But then the next one up is the SE, and I think it's a very, very big upgrade if you get it from ES to SC. Now, when it comes to technology itself, the PHEV technology, the powertrain and everything else, all of them are the same. Doesn't matter if you get the ES or the top of the line Noir edition, you'll get the same engine. It's a 2.4 liter engine, so there's no change in engine size when it comes to 25 to 26. But there is, however, a change in the battery. So the battery used to be 20 kilowatt hour, now it's 22.7 kilowatt hours. Also, EV range is increased by 18%, and now you get a rated EV range of 72 kilometers of pure electric driving. And it's 16% quicker, 0 to 60, so it does feel quicker when you drive it as well. And the charging level 3 is faster, despite the battery being bigger. All the other charging is about the same, and the fuel economy, they increased as well. So in this video, we're going to check out some options that you do get with the SE upgrade. And I gotta say, for somebody who's thinking about the PHEV, I would highly recommend to think about upgrading to SE. Now, visually, this one here is very similar to the gas version that we had last year, introduced as the the refresh of the Outlander. But we can see how we have lower bumper parts are darker gray, and the outer lens on the rear tail light is this like smoked appearance. We added some side moldings accessories here. So one thing to note is that on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca, I have noted all the accessories that are fitting exclusive to the 26 PHEV compared to 25. When it comes to side moldings, there's no change on any of them. So you can install these on 25s, 24 gas Outlanders, 26 PHEVs. The door panels is the same. So what's a little bit different, the front grille is a little bit different. You can see how it is actually updated compared to the previous one. And then you have these hood emblems. So this one here is PHEV specific hood emblem, a blue with this chrome outline. There's many other ones I have listed at mrmitsubishi.ca. You can pick yours and get it going. Now on the front, we can see how we have these lower bumper part is now a little bit different. Same thing, this darker chrome finish, a little bit more piano glossy grille, and with these thicker chrome lines. I think the updated exterior looks better, and we're gonna check out the interior as well. So this one here has the special wheels. So now ESSE will have these wheels, and then LE will have the different wheels, and then all the other trim levels will have the larger wheels. Now, with the SC, you do get the fog lights, you do get the mirrors that are folding down, and you have this indicator signal right here, and also this keyless button here. That to me is such a convenience thing that I would upgrade the trim level just to get this option here. Now we open the door, we see a beautiful cloth interior. We have power seat for the driver, large panoramic sunroof. We have the wireless phone charger, and it just looks really, really nice. And keep in mind, technology, the battery and the EV range is exactly the same on all trim levels, so you do not have to upgrade to anything special to get the 72 kilometers of EV range and all the other goodies that it comes with. So I really like this cloth interior, and it is a power seat, so it's super easy to adjust with the lumbar support, so it makes it easier for your daily drives for sure. And look at the size of that sunroof. I know that since this body style came out on the gas engine first, everybody loved this sunroof, and people just really appreciate that extra light that you can get. Now let's check out the interior. The interior is upgraded too. Some updates are the screen is now 12.3 inches, so it's a larger screen compared to the previous one. All the PHEVs do get this a digital screen, so you do not have analog dials as you have on the gas version. So no matter which trim level you get, you will have your digital screen right there. And now the cup holders are shifted here, and we have a little bit different design when it comes to these dials and buttons and whatnot. So this one here is the drivetrain selector, and we see as we click them like this, the screen changes over there, and it always defaults to normal, and then you can change it. You can change it on the fly, so as you drive the vehicle, you can select whatever you want. But whenever you turn off the vehicle, you jump in and out, it'll always default on normal. So two more buttons I want to talk about today is this one here is the innovative pedal. So then the vehicle acts as pretty much gas and brake pedal in one pedal. So whenever you step on your gas pedal, it goes. The second you release it a little bit, it's very aggressive pulling back. It's almost like braking, and that just generates more power back to the battery. And this one here is the EV button. So you do have these EV modes, so you can go from normal to EV to save to charge. And in this channel I'll be talking a little bit more specifically about the save and charge, so you want to subscribe to the channel so we can talk it a little bit more. And if you're interested, you'll know what's what and how they differentiate from one another. So one thing to keep in mind with SE trim level, you have only backup camera, you do not have the 360 camera. So this part right here is just a blank, and there's not much going on when it comes to that stuff. Navigation is already there. Like I said before, we have the wireless charger, and we do have the heated steering wheel. So many good things we have in this SE, and it's a fantastic trim level. That's what I wanted to show you today. Of course, the shade we can close off as well if we want to, and then or we can open it fully and we have extra daylight going on there. So when it comes to parking this vehicle, very easy maneuver, very easy to drive around, so we can see it in a tight spots. We can understand really where the vehicle ends and all that. And then we put it in reverse. We have backup sensors. We have backup camera that beeps and notifies us. Very easy to drive and to get around in this vehicle. Now let's check out the trunk. And as we go towards the trunk, we can see the second row, and there's lots of ways how we can adjust the second row. So we have the 60-40 split. These seats can be shifted forward, backwards. You can select any position that you want, so you do not have to get one or the other. And that is a very valuable feature of the PHEV. It caters to all the passengers. And we have this kick motion still, and the PHEVs and gas Outlanders, absolutely love it. I use it all the time. The kick motion and the door lock button, those are my two go-to options. So okay, trunk size like this, we have this 5+2 as they branded the 7-seater that we can fold down if we want to, and then we have extra seats for or extra room for our grocery bags and other stuff, gym bags and whatnot, what we might have here. Of course, we can also lay this all flat, and then we'll have this completely flat surface. So I want to show you a little bit more also in some future videos on how we exactly do that and what are our options there. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss those videos. Overall, I gotta say, very nice color. Silver is a free color from the factory. Do not pay extra for that, and it goes really well together with all the accessories, the hood emblem, and everything else. So fantastic looking vehicle. I think it's worth you coming in for a test drive if you're a local here to Tri-City Mitsubishi. We do have a lot of them coming in. Truckloads, 2 truckloads came in yesterday, and I think one more is going to be here today. All colors, all trim levels, we will have them here. So thank you so much for checking out, tuning in today. I hope you like this PHEV as much as I do. Drives great, looks good, awesome. Thank you so much, and see you next time around.